Hey everyone, this is Erin, and it's second Wednesday again, and today we're supposed to talk about college, where we're going to college. And I'm really sick, so I'm gonna make it quick. Next year I'm going to California Lutheran University, and it was a really hard decision because I really liked all the schools that I visited, even the ones that I didn't think I was gonna like. And so it was really hard for me to decide, but I decided to stay close to home. But not too close. Couldn't deal with that. So, yeah, it's my decision. I'm really excited about it. The campus is really nice, the dorms are really big, and people seemed pretty friendly. Not as friendly as at Seattle, but they were a little overwhelming there. Like, I don't know if I can handle all that friendliness. So, yeah, I'm pleased with my decision, and, thanks for caring. Sorry if it's, like, shaking really bad, because my laptop's, like, on my lap. And when I cough, it shakes. What else? Oh, me and Eleanor and Jamie and Aubrey are going to Kate Nash tomorrow. That's exciting, because I like her music, so I'm looking forward to that. It's basically my life right now. Okay, bye guys.